For apparel and accessories sites, Baymard's large-scale testing found that good category navigation is more important than search functionality. During testing, 100% of users relied on the main navigation, while only 10% ever used the search tool, and even then, only after their primary strategy of browsing for products had failed. Hi, I'm Christian Holst, co-founder of Baymard Institute, and today I'm presenting guideline number 2744 of Baymard's large-scale usability test findings. Prioritize investment in category navigation and curated paths over search for apparel and accessories sites. On sites with hundreds or thousands of products like Walmart, Best Buy, or Amazon, our research shows about a 50-50 split between users who prefer search and those who use the main navigation to find products. However, we discovered a surprising behavior when testing apparel and accessories sites. Once test users were on a site, our researchers gave them the task of finding an apparel product that suited their needs, with no guidance on how to find products of interest. Every single user turned to something other than search to start their initial product finding journey. This is in spite of the fact that each participant tested on average just over 7 sites. Apparel and accessories sites tend to have flatter hierarchies and fewer products, leading the majority of users in testing to prefer using the main navigation to find products. If the site has a well-organized hierarchy, a user, for example, interested in finding a skirt, will only need to navigate a couple of layers to find the product list they're interested in. First, they would select the women's category, then choose the skirt subcategory, and they've arrived at the product list for the products they're looking for. The small subset of users who turned to search did so as a fallback strategy, typically due to critical issues with navigation or category taxonomy on apparel and accessories sites. For example, at All Saints, a user was unable to quickly determine whether the men's accessories category contained jewelry, resorting instead to using search. This is not to say apparel and accessories sites should never offer a conventional site-wide search tool. For example, Hush Puppies sells fewer than 20 products on its site, yet still maintain an on-site search tool, which may be beneficial for navigating the site's auxiliary content and non-product information. For the vast majority of users across all apparel and accessories sites, search won't be their first step in product finding. Other site features such as bespoke imagery, detailed product descriptions, and well-implemented user reviews should also be optimized first over having a perfect search experience. We have much more detailed insights on optimizing the user journey, including over 50 essential guidelines specifically for apparel and accessories sites in our research catalog. Go to baymard.com/research to learn more.